Welcome to a journey into the future of living room aesthetics. Today, we are diving deep into the captivating world of modern tattoo art and exploring the do's and don'ts for your living space in 2024. Wondering about the latest living room trends? Think cozy minimalism, vibrant hues, and statement pieces. Let's dive into the must-haves for your stylish space. Ready for a bold twist? We are diving into the world of modern tattoo art in wall decoration. Picture contemporary design merging seamlessly with timeless tattoo elements. Stay tuned for a living room upgrade that's both modern and uniquely you. Sleek furniture magic. Upgrade with chic, multifunctional furniture for a modern twist. Tips to improve color pop delight and fuse vibrant hues selectively for a lively, trendy ambience. Nature's touch. Bring the outdoors in with indoor plants, the ultimate decor boost. Texture mix master. Blend textures for visual interest. Think cozy rugs and smooth finishes. Modern wall decor. Elevate your wall space with modern tattoo art. Avoid mistakes. Furniture overcrowding blunder. Avoid cramming too much furniture. Create space to breathe. Color clash catastrophe. Steer clear of mismatched colors. Aim for a harmonious palette. One size fits all lighting slip. Don't rely on a single light source. Layer lighting for ambience. Wallflower syndrome. Skip bare walls. Showcase art or decor for personality. Share your story in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found a new idea for your space.